It's my latest build. I decided to kit bash this one. I put it on the Ford snowplow chassis, which is that model right there. And I kit bashed it with the Shell tanker, which is that model right there. So I decided to get the chrome version. Now you can see here it separates, so you can use just part of it. So that's the other half of the trailer right there that would have gone on the back. So I decided to put them together. Yes, I decided to use Skynet. Yes, I'm a Terminator fan. The hazardous materials placarding are out of a book. That book there, actual hazardous materials. That actually opens up. So, yep, decided to make it, paint it Caterpillar yellow again. I just like trucks. So, there you go.